Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. Alright you guys, so today I do have a little quick and easy get ready with me, no foundation makeup look. So let's jump right in. I am going to be clipping my hair back just to get it out of my face because it always seems to get in the way in the process. So I always have these clips on my vanity or wherever I am going to be doing my makeup. So just clipping that back. I am going to get started with the Tarte Base Tape, right? Yeah, hydrating primer. So this is it right here. I've actually really been enjoying this. So even though I'm not going to be going in with a foundation, I am going to still apply a little bit of face primer. Alright, so now that I'm done with that, I am going to be going in with a concealer. So this one right here, you guys, is so amazing. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. It is so full coverage, very comfortable, and the color, the shades are really good in my opinion. So the one I'm going to be using is the shade 365 Cashew. So going in with the applicator, I'm just going to be applying this right underneath my eye and wherever I really feel like I need the coverage. So applying that right here, especially around the nose because I have the red spots. And I'm just gonna go in with that right now. Yeah, so just right there in that area. I'm going to be grabbing the Morphe M173 brush and I'm just going to be blending it out. Alright, so as you guys saw, I did just blend whatever I applied underneath the eye, just in the areas that I felt were necessary. So I really didn't go all around my face. I just applied it really in this area here and also around my mouth. And that is pretty much all I really did. Now I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And this one's in the shade Mocha. Just to bronze my face up a little bit, I am going to be going in with this. So as I normally would, I am just going to bronze up my face and I'm going to contour my nose a little bit and also my lips, just the way I normally would, you know? And then I'm going to be grabbing my Real Techniques contour brush, which is my absolute favorite brush to go in and blend out the cream bronzer. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in and setting up my under eye. I'm going to be grabbing my RCMA powder and a Real Techniques setting brush and a little bit of the Tarte Stay spray. And what I'm going to be doing with this is I am going to be first dipping my brush in the RCMA powder, just like that. I'm going to be spraying the brush just a little bit, misting it, nothing crazy, don't like super drench it. And then I'm going to be setting my under eye. And that's going to help the concealer stay in place and just pretty much lock it for the rest of the day. I'm going to be doing the same thing for the other side. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with some bronzer. I'm going to be going in with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It. And I'm going to be using the Kat Von D double-sided brush. So going in with the angled side. I am going to be applying this in the areas that I applied the cream bronzer. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with a little bit of blush. I'm going to be going in with this one from Maybelline. This one is so good. It's the Master Blush palette. And I'm just going to be mixing these two shades right in the middle together with my BH Cosmetics Neon Collection brush set. I don't even know, but it's the neon green one. And I'm just going to be applying a little bit on the cheeks. Moving on to highlighter, I am going to be going in with this one right here. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Gold Bar. And I am going to be using a Milani All Over Blending Brush. Alright, so for the eyes now, I am going to be going in with the ColourPop Nude Mood palette. I absolutely love this palette, you guys. It is just so pretty. It has all these browns and everything. And honestly, it's perfect for an everyday look. So going in with a Morphe & Jeffree Star JS9 brush and this shade right here, Au Naturel, I'm going to be applying this shade literally all over the eye. Switching my brush, grabbing a ColourPop L1 brush, I am going to be going in with Wink Wink right here. And I'm just going to apply this shade right here on the inner corner just for a little bit of a highlight and a little bit of a pop in there. Now I'm going to go in and fill in my brows. I'm going to be going in with the BH Cosmetics. This is the Ultimate Brow Palette. And this is what it looks like. I literally ran through this palette. Now I'm going to go in and set my brows. I'm going to go in with the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. Now I'm going to be going in with some mascara. This one right here is from Milk Makeup, and this is, I believe, the Kush Mascara. Alright, so now for lips, I'm going to be going in with this one from NYX. This one is in the shade London. And now to finish that off, I am going to be going in with the Morphe Liquid Lipstick in the shade Taunt. Now I'm going to finish it off by setting my face with the Tarte Stay Spray. Alright you guys, so this is the final look right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!